This is a detailed look inside Abricate Engineering, a Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu-based turnkey or EPI provider's state-of-the-art poultry and cattle feed pelleting plant. This facility represents the pinnacle of modern animal feed manufacturing technology, engineered for robust, high-volume production and complete efficiency. Abricate Engineering's advanced system manages every stage precisely, from initial raw material handling through to final packaging. The operation is built for a large scale, capable of delivering an impressive 300 tons of precisely formulated poultry and cattle feed every single day. The process begins with raw material intake. Ingredients are delivered, cleaned by drum cleaners, and moved by bucket elevators and conveyors to storage. Abricate provided aspiration unit to control dust. Materials are kept in dedicated storage silos. This ensures quality control and guarantees a continuous supply for the rest of the manufacturing process. The plant relies on efficient logistics, utilizing spacious raw material godowns for ingredient inventory and finished goods warehouses to store the pellets before dispatch. The production begins at the manual intake. Raw materials are unloaded, passed over to Abricate's dump filter to remove debris using cartridge system and self-purging, which is highly efficient, and prepared for processing, which is transferred through bucket elevator. All Abricate's equipment is direct-driven system, which reduces production cost by consuming less power. The raw material is efficiently transferred across the facility via a series of reliable drag conveyors. Abricate's equipment is geared unit has torque arm mounting system, which helps improves mechanical efficacy. The material then moves immediately into the drum cleaner via magnet, a crucial first step for quality control. This mechanical process performs the bulk removal of stones, large debris, and other foreign materials, protecting downstream equipment from damage. Following cleaning, the material flow is precisely managed by Abricate's turnhead distributors. These automated systems are essential for routing different ingredients from the drum cleaners to their respective batching bins, which has level sensors to ensure material volume automatically. The goal is to accurately fill the various round batching bins, which improves material flow smoothly, and manual gate provided for easy maintenance and with the required raw materials, ensuring that each bin holds the exact ingredient needed for the upcoming batching process to prepare them for the highly precise weighing. Abricate provided screw conveyor in dosing for easy maintenance. After weighing, high-capacity bucket elevators using plastic buckets take over. The batch material is kept in bins, which moves to the hammer mill via a diverter, and process bins with sensors. Abricate's diverter is a shaftless valve to restrict free flow. High-speed hammers grind the mixture down to a fine, uniform particle size, optimizing digestion and pellet strength. Components and micronutrients are thoroughly blended in the batch mixer. This step creates a perfectly homogeneous mixture, crucial for nutritional consistency. Abricate's process hopper and full open slide gate provided to avoid material stuck below mixer. Once fully mixed, the prepared mash is directed through reliable material handling equipment, typically conveyors and elevators. This precisely transfers the mixed feed directly to the specialized pellet bins, which hold the feed ready just before the crucial conditioning and pelleting stages. Abricate has designed using thermoplastic sheets inside the equipment to avoid body damages and reduce wear and tear of our equipment. This sheet is 15 times stronger than metals. The feed now undergoes preconditioning followed by intense conditioning. Here, dry steam is introduced to raise both the temperature and moisture of the mash. This crucial thermal treatment sterilizes the feed, gelatinizes the starches, and activates natural binders, ensuring optimal pellet quality. The conditioned mash is forced by rollers through the die of the pellet mill. Intense pressure forms the dense, hot feed into uniform cylindrical pellets. These are then precisely cut to the required size as they exit the die. Pellets immediately enter the counterflow cooler. Ambient air quickly reduces temperature and moisture, hardening the final product for stable storage. Pellets further move through a crumbler to create smaller feed for chickens. The product passes through a sifter to remove fine dust and enters the pellet coater. Liquid ingredients, like molasses or fats, are added here to improve the quality of pellets. Finally, the uniform, cooled feed reaches the bagging and loading station. Automated machines efficiently weigh and seal the finished product into durable bags. This streamlined process prepares the poultry feed for commercial distribution or bulk loading onto trucks for dispatch. With the feed successfully cooled, bagged, and prepared for shipping, the manufacturing cycle is complete. The result is a completed batch of high-quality, scientifically formulated animal feed. Every step, from the initial meticulous cleaning and automated batching to the intense conditioning and efficient cooling, is performed under strict quality controls. This dedication ensures the final product is consistently nutritious, durable, and safe. The finished feed is now ready for transport and dispatch, effectively closing the entire loop from raw material intake at the start of the plant to customer delivery at the farm gate. Abricate's bag stacker will handle bags at Abricate's plant is a fully automated animal feed plant that is fully computer controlled. The entire operation of Abricate plant is managed through the central control panel room, utilizing modern plant automation. This system allows technicians to precisely monitor and adjust all process parameters, maximizing efficiency and product consistency. Abricate high-end automation helps to reduce manpower,